Oliver from Sunshine Birding, and today we're covering the Great Backyard Bird Count. So far today, we've seen 16 different species in our backyard and at our feeders. Painted buntings are one of the most beautiful and colorful birds in North America. The male is red, blue, green, and yellow. Females and immature male birds are all green. In French, their name means without equal because of their beauty. In our yard, they like seeds from leftover fall plants and millet in our feeders. The male pine warbler has a bright yellow throat and back with two white wing bars. The females are more pale yellow and the immature birds are more gray overall. While typically found in pine trees, in the winter they often come to feeders for millet. They also like suet. The catbird is dark gray all over with a black patch on its head and rusty red coloring under its tail. It gets its name from the cat-like sound it makes. The catbirds in our yard like suet the best. In winter, the yellow-rumped warbler is a grayish bird with a patch of yellow on its rump. We've had yellow rumps in our yard for several years, but this is the first year they have used the feeders, mainly eating suet. This is the first year we have had robins in our yard. In Florida, the robin stands for winter, not spring. We usually see them hopping around in the grass looking for food. Robins are found year-round in most other states. The palm warbler is easily identified by the yellow under its constantly pumping tail. This bird breeds in the Canadian boreal forest in winters in Florida and the Caribbean islands. The hermit thrush is an infrequent visitor on the ground below our feeders. It has a brown body, a spotted chest, and a rusty red tail. The only thrush who is commonly seen in winter in North America. We see tufted titmice year-round at our feeders. This bird's call is peter, peter, peter. They like peanuts, but we also see them at our window feeders eating millet. They take one seed or nut at a time and fly off with it. Here is our final total from eBird, 17 species just in and over our backyard. Now it's your turn. Get out there and see some birds. I hope you enjoyed my backyard birds. Please like and subscribe for more adventures.